That's your attempt. I'm just here to help a sister out with struggling edges.
We gotta make sure it's saturated. We ain't gonna even be skimpy. We gonna act like our hair need treatment, which it does.
Don't put too much of this stuff, man. You're gonna look like...
I need my hair to be fully moisturized. The way she going about this product, it better work.
How much does she use?
Listen, you feel my hair?
I'm panicking.
I don't wanna come out looking like, yeah, just use whatever in your hand. You see my hair, you see, look, you gotta make sure it's going through the whole hair because some parts dry.
Come, Kim, you in my way. Like, customers don't be helping. You supposed to sit there and just look like a yaya. Just sit there, man.
I feel like, you know that song, you don't have to dread to be Rasta.
Girl, be happy you're not born with oxtail, because I know lots of your cousins have oxtail. I know my cousins got oxtail, so you should be happy you got nice Rapunzel hair. Be happy, because
I need to take care of my hair way better than this though, because
you good for a pregnant chick.
Alright. Alright, go put that
And that's good.
Good morning!
But do you still go to see about?
I'm gonna have this fridge.
It was melting when I cause remember we was cooking last night.
Oh.
So I put it in there last night. And when I got it, I had to hold it with a paper towel. Man, well, rest in peace to the biscuits, y'all. It fell.
It cracked.
You know when it falls, what's gonna come out the bag? Crumbs.
I'll tell you guys about this dairy milk. This dairy milk chocolate, because for some reason I'm just like craving chocolate.
We need to be sponsored by
My two braids, don't say nothing.
We need to be sponsored by Hamburger Helper or Pampers Pure.
Hamburger Helper, not by me. Pampers Pure, yeah.
or at least Hungry Jack.
You hear Hungry? Yes, Hungry Jack.
Sponsored by Hungry Jack.
Sponsor us, okay? Thank you. Alright, I need the orange. I don't know how you get up eating chips.
At least it's plain.
Papa and Mama got some nice gourmet food on the list for you. That was clapping. My little bodyguard follow me everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. Yeah. Watch Ethan. One go power, look how I follow you. Oh God.
Because you know this finished so fast in this pan.
Man, these are so cute. When I go back IKEA,
or just the eggs and pan?
are these this clean?
You want bacon or you want the?
No, can I have bacon, please? Because I'm not gonna enjoy these pancakes. Oh my God, I can't eat these pancakes, guys. Oh my God. Now you tell me. Comment down below. This is cute, right? This is cute. Cute ice tray. Got it from IKEA. Okay. Comment down below. Tell me, guys, what do you think of these pancakes? Would you eat them? Comment down below, guys. He wants me to eat these pancakes.
It's not bad.
It is bad. Like, look at these. Like, look at. Oh my God. If I give you this, would you eat it?
Yeah.
Even if it was for free?
Yes.
Comment down below. Yes, Papa, we talking on him because that I want Mama to freaking have some like nightmare eating these pancakes. No, so okay, guys, this is the breakfast that I got. Okay, the bacon. Remember, guys, comment down below if you would eat this breakfast. Okay, that's Chef QRD did. Okay, this chocolate showed Ethan. Yes, this is what he did. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know how it was. All right. And
wait,
Ethan
I'm telling you right
at the
now,
bottom.
I'm telling you right now.
Like,
listen.
Ethan.
Listen. That bacon is good. I'm telling you. Just look. Just.
Really?
I'm telling you. The bacon is good.
Really?
You know what somebody with a bonnet on, make breakfast is gonna come out.
A mountaineer climbs mountains. We should all be mountaineers.
I didn't know what we had was real. I was too scared to show how I feel. 'Cause I've been struggling, trying to find what love is. But you gave it to me, but I was just too blind to see. And now the sun don't shine as bright when you are here with me. And I'd give anything to turn back time so that we could be together again.
Okay, we're outside taking our little walk on Halloween day. Right? Today's Halloween, but of course we are not celebrating it. There's Ethan dressing up as Mama's boy. Oh my gosh. It's kind of chilly outside though. Dada came for us. Dada saved Mama. Good. The baby is acting up. Look at him. What the fuck? Okay, this is what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. Nice fried chicken. And this is what Dada is cooking. What is this?
Okay. Wait. Wait.
What the hell? How many more salt you gotta put on it?
It's the fact that it bounces off your arm. That's you caught that, right? You caught that, right?
Jay. Okay, so this is his hamburger helper.
Hamburger helper, don't forget to sponsor me.
Oh my god, this is what, lasagna?
Yeah.
And this is it. So it's the battle of the parents in terms of the cooking. So we're gonna see what the baby likes more.
Come on now. Hamburger helper all day.
Hamburger helper all day?
Come on now. And I'm about to cheat. Y'all.
You ain't gonna cheat. You ain't gonna... Papa, what are you doing? Huh?
I'm about to cheat.
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, man, it's over. Man, I'm about to cheat, y'all.
Guys, please don't, pay attention to the clothes on the floor. Dada is washing clothes. What is that? Mexican cheese? Oh my gosh, sir.
And that's all.
That better taste good. I'm not eating that though, but Dada is.
I'm not gonna eat it. She's just acting like she's too good for hamburger helper.
Oh Lord, no.
She gonna be like, can I have a little bit?
I'm gonna have my chicken with some salad and call it a night.
What's contamination?
Okay.
Careful.
Oh, Papa.
Yes, Papa. Don't sneeze on my food.
Really? Bless you, baby. You sneeze right when it come here.
You don't have to eat it. This is food. You gotta put down some
Papa is doing some. Mama never give you nothing, you know? You taste good.
It don't taste bad, right?
You taste bad. You onto something. You onto something over
It ain't
there.
that bad, right?
It ain't bad at all.
Oh on a scale of 1 to 5, I'll personally give it 3.
I give it 3.5. It's good. Let's make it cook down some more.
Yeah. Mommy's gonna taste like 4 or 5. But she cheating. She's making something that's easily likable. But
no, it's not everybody can cook fried
chicken. This technicality right here.
No, it's not everybody can cook fried chicken.
You see this, y'all? Technical. You see this one here? Oh, you see that here?
It's not everybody can cook fried chicken.
Do not use this to fry chicken, you guys.
We used that thing and that oil could not come out the pot. It was like tar.
This is what you use. Not this.
Like tar.
You don't use this, okay? That's a no-no.
But not getting
right. You use that.
Yeah. So this is my dinner for tonight, right? So this one is buffalo, and these are sweet chili and salad, and this one here is for Ethan. Okay, nothing is on this. No sauce, no nothing, because you know, of course, he can't eat spice, and I have a little ranch over here. Okay, so that's it for tonight. So Kim's gonna eat, and we'll see you guys.
She didn't even want to say she gonna put this on her plate too, y'all. But that's none of my business, so.
Move on right here, so.
She didn't want to tell you that. Okay.
I'm just gonna have just a spoonful, just a little bit. I just want this is a little bit.
All right.
Good night, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow, or we don't know if this is gonna be a continuation vlog, but you know, continue after I continue, because I don't know when I'm gonna end this vlog. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Pregnant mom.